From the whispers of the ancient ruins to the serenade of the Aegean Sea, Greece is a tapestry of vibrant history and breathtaking landscapes. Welcome to the Greek Odyssey quiz. If you enjoy unraveling the secrets of the past and marveling at scenic wonders, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on a journey through Greece. How well do you know this land of gods and heroes? Let's find out. Before we embark, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our epic adventures. Now, grab your scorecards for each correct answer, give yourself a point, and let's dive into the heart of Greece. Question number 1. Which Greek island is famous for these blue domed churches and stunning sunsets? Is it A. Mykonos, B. Santorini, or C. Rhodes? The answer is letter B, Santorini. Question number 2. Name this famous beach home to a famous shipwreck on the coast of Zakynthos Island. Is it letter A, Navajo Beach, B, Palos Beach, C, Elafonisi Beach? The answer is letter A, Navajo Beach. Question number 3. These monasteries are located atop rock pillars in which central Greek region? Is it A. Thessaly, B. Macedonia, or C. Epirus? The answer is A. Thessaly. Question number 4. Which narrow waterway connects the Gulf of Corinth with the Saronic Gulf? Is it letter A, the Corinth Canal, letter B, the Rio Antirio Canal, or letter C, the Pindus Canal? The answer is letter A, the Corinth Canal. Question number 5. Which mythical mountain is considered the home of the Greek gods? Is it letter A, Mount Athos, letter B, Mount Parnassus, or letter C, Mount Olympus? The correct answer is letter C, Mount Olympus. Question number 6. Which ancient site was home to the famous Oracle of Delphi? Is it letter A, Olympia, letter B, Delphi, or letter C, Epidaurus? The answer is letter B, Delphi. Question number 7. Which Ionian island is renowned for this breathtaking beach? Is it letter A, Corfu, letter B, Kefalonia, or letter C, Lefkada? The answer is letter B, Kefalonia. Question number 8. Where is this medieval castle located, once a stronghold of the Knights Hospitaller? Is it A, Crete, B, Rhodes, or C, Mykonos? The answer is letter B, Rhodes. Question number 9. In which island would you find this long and deep gorge, a hiker's paradise? Is it letter A, Crete, letter B, Santorini, or letter C, Naxos? The correct answer is letter A, Crete. Question number 10. The Portara, a massive marble gateway, stands on the entrance to which island's main town? Is it A, Paros, B, Naxos, or C, Milos? The answer is letter B, Naxos. Question number 11. Which island is famous for its natural hot springs, including the therapeutic Thermae Sylla? Is it A, Evia, B, Icaria, or C, Lesbos? The answer is letter A, Evia. Question number 12. The picturesque Zagori region, known for its stone bridges and traditional villages, is part of which mountain range? Letter A, the Rhodope Mountains, letter B, the Pindus Mountains, or letter C, the Taygetos Mountains? Answer is Letter B, the Pindus Mountains. Question number 13. On which island can you visit the cave where St. John is said to have written the book of Revelation? Is it letter A, Patmos, letter B, Tinos, or letter C, Kos? The correct answer is letter A, Patmos. Question number 14. These iconic windmills are a symbol of which Cycladic island known for its vibrant nightlife? Is it A, Mykonos, B, Ios, or C, Anafi? The answer is A, Mykonos. Question number 15. Which artificial lake surrounded by a picturesque mountainous landscape is this? Is it A, Lake Kirkini, B, Lake Plastira, or C, Lake Volvi? The answer is letter B, Lake Plastira. Question number 16. In which historical marketplace would you find this well-preserved Greek temple? A, the Roman Forum, B, the ancient Agora of Athens, or C, the Agora of Thessaloniki? The correct answer is letter B, the ancient Agora of Athens. Question number 17. The Venetian fortress of Fortezza is the main attraction in which Crete city? Is it A, Chania, B, Heraklion, or C, Rethymnon? The answer is letter C, Rethymnon. Question number 18. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is located on which Aegean island? A, Samos, B, Patmos, or C, Chios? The answer is letter B, Patmos. Question number 19. From which hill in Athens can you get panoramic views of the city, including the Acropolis? A, Philopapos Hill, B, Lycabettus Hill, or letter C, Pnyx Hill? The correct answer is letter B, Lycabettus Hill. Question number 20. Where is this ancient gate located once entrance to a major center of Greek civilization? A, Sparta, B, Mycenae, or C, Corinth? The correct answer is letter B, Mycenae. Our Grecian quest has come to an end, and now it's time to share your score. How many did you get right out of 20? Whether you're a Greek sage or a curious traveler, let us know in the comments below. If you reveled in this journey, please give us a like to show your love for Greece. And if you haven't already, subscribe and ring the bell for more culture, history, and travel quizzes. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep sharing your wanderlust. Farewell, fellow adventurers!